Hi guys, another day on Tutorials Ghana, and you're going to learn how to make money with IQ Smart Boost affiliate program. Let's jump in. Firstly, we visit www.iqsmartboost.com. If you're a new user, you register. If you're an old user, you just log in. So enter your credentials, then you log in. So you're moving to the dashboard. Guys, I'm now going to show you how you can earn from iqsmartboost.com. So you go to affiliate program. Yeah, you can see there's a link. Firstly, you copy your link, and you have rules here that says get to $10 threshold to be able to make withdrawal. So this link will be sent to your friends and loved ones so that when they click on it, you will be able to earn something, and they will be redirected to IQ Smart Boost website, just like this. There you go. So when a friend or a loved one click on the link, the person is going to be redirected here. If this video was helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, but don't forget to click on the notification bell.